Hello students, today we will learn chapter 2 of civics, understanding secularism. So we know very well India is a democratic country. Democratic means in India the rulers are elected by the people. The people elect their rulers by casting votes. So in our constitution it is written in our preamble that the India is a secular country, means India has adopted secularism. So first we will know what is meant by secularism. Secularism means all the religions are equal for the country and for the government. The state will not favor any religion. It will not support or promote any particular religion. Secularism refers to the separation of religion from the state. State means country. The country will make it separate from itself. The religion means for the country and for the government all the religions are equal. It gives equal importance to all religion. Because India is the land of many religions. In India, there are many religions such as Hindus, Sikhism, Muslims, Christians, Jainism, Buddhism. So, the government or our constitution gives equal importance to all the religions. It doesn't promote any particular religion, and all the religions are given equal importance and they are equal treated. Why is it important to separate a religion from the state? It is important to separate a religion from the state because it is important to function democratically to any country. Without this, the country cannot work in a democratic way, because in democracy all the religions and all the people are equal in the eyes of laws and government. To protect the freedom of individuals, all the citizens have freedom to speak, to move any place, to do any job, and to follow or practice any religion. All the citizens have given to choose their own religion, to practice, to propagate, and to follow any religion or to join any religious ceremony or function. So it is the freedom of a person to which religion he or she joins. So it is important to protect the freedom of religion of the individuals. In India, Hindus are in majority and Jainism, Buddhism and Christians and Muslims are in minority. So there is a fear of dominance of majority over minority. So it is important to separate religion from the state, because to protect the minority from the dominance of majority. Otherwise, if there will be one particular religion followed by the government, so the majority will dominate the minority. So for the protection of minority from the dominance of majority, it is essential to separate religion from the state or government. What is Indian secularism? Indian secularism says that all the religions are given equal importance. The government will not discriminate any religion on the basis of religion. For the government, all the religions are equal. The government has given equal importance to all religions, and the government does not favor any particular religion. It uses a strategy of distancing itself from a religion. It does not support any particular or one religion. It does not promote any religion. The Indians have freedom to change their religion, to follow their any particular religion, and in the matter of jobs, admissions and other welfare schemes, the government will not discriminate any citizen on the basis of a religion. All the essential services will be given to all the citizens, not on the discrimination of religion. So in India, all the religions have equal importance and government treats all the religions with equality. Thank you.